Your world 15?
No.
Your England 15?
No.
Oh, you've got a lot to
But you
do.
see, Gary's a
have.
lot more intelligent than me. He can do it in a few seconds. I take ages to do it. Funny, my brother in New Zealand, he still supports South Africa. He's been there for like nearly 20 years.
Is he?
Yeah, like the kids support the All Blacks,
Yeah.
but not him. So it's quite a contentious
Yes.
debate, you know?
Yeah.
They don't understand that he's still...
See all the elephant coming now at the back.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a
look at that one.
separate herd that's going to be interesting,
Oh, listen.
because those ones are more, and I think they're going to push these ones out. It's all about water, eh, guy? You never see this normally because it's plentiful.
Yep.
Now they're coming from all angles.
Yeah.
And those wild dog know, you know, that antelope must come and drink there. You see?
Yep.
They're also partly ambush killers. Eh?
There's a lot of elephants coming now.
It's almost like I'm seeing things when I look at this photograph. See this, Wendy? You've got the wild dog and then you've got the shadows of the open
yes,
vehicle that
yes.
was there.
That's good. That's clever.
I'll show you where the baboon's jumping. Jeez, I tell you, these glasses are not... I can't even see a thing with these glasses. Weird, eh?
What?
Is there a baboon jumping there?
Nope.
Is that not a baboon there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so in one of these shots there's a baboon. Is there not a baboon jumping off the bridge there? No.
But mind you, I haven't got my glasses on. I'm not really the best
Okay.
person to ask.
I don't know, last night I saw it, but no,
Yeah.
fine. Oh well, I think...
Yeah, there's a load of elephants coming out. I can't see the rhinos so much. Can you, Gary? They're all down, aren't they?
They're behind that elephant that's just
Yeah.
walking off to the left.
Oh,
Can you see them
okay.
there?
Are they?
Not too sure why he was revving his engine. Luckily he's left.
Yes. Oh, there's a lot of elephants.
Oh, this is the most we've seen together.
Oh.
Am I right?
Mm.
Yeah, yes, yeah. Sure it is.
Oh, just have to say I'm brilliant.
Oh. It's a lot for you to deal with though, isn't it, all the time?
Mm. Exactly, yeah. It's like winning Wimbledon every time I come out here.
Yeah.
I don't know, hey, I don't see the rhino now.
No, you can see them, Gary, can you?
Mm.
Where?